versus property management firm. Which one is right for you? Using Airbnb has its advantages. Number one, ease of use. Getting started is simple. You can list your property and begin welcoming guests quickly. Number two, payment processing. Airbnb handles payment processing, making managing bookings and payments hassle-free. Number three, marketing platform. Airbnb provides a built-in platform for marketing your property. On the other hand, property management firms offer professional management and expertise. Number one, they take care of everything from marketing and booking to maintenance and guest communication, freeing up your time. Number two, vendor relationships. These firms often have established relationships with local vendors, which can result in better pricing for services like cleaning and repairs. Number three, market insights. Property management firms can offer valuable insights to local market trends, helping you optimize your rental pricing strategy. They adjust prices as needed, and your earnings are tied to your success. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into a few more factors to consider.